Hello, today I'm going to change a headlight bulb on a 2008 Ford F150. I'm going to start here, unscrew this screw a little bit so it pulls out this tab. And then you'll be able to pull up this tab. Just kind of pinch it. It pulls up. Screw. Now we have access to this 10mm bolt and this 10mm bolt and that 10mm bolt we're going to take off. Now we get the bolts out, lift up right here, pull the headlight assembly up, and they'll come right out. So the headlight bulbs right here I need to replace. Yours may be tight. There's just a lefty-loosey. It's like it's a lefty-loosey quarter turn. You better pull out your headlight bulb. Then you're going to push on this tab right here to release the bulb. So you just push down on this tab. You'll be able to pull. Just push on the tab. Might be tight. Just push the tab down. Be able to pull the bulb out. And the tab releases the bulb right here. Here's the new bulb I'm using.